In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put GIFs on Shopify 5 minutes. If you want your product pages to feel more dynamic, adding a GIF is a quick way to show movement, highlight features, or demonstrate how something works. I'll walk you through the exact clicks in your Shopify admin and share a few practical tips so your GIFs look great and load fast. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar and click Products. This is where all your items live and where you'll manage their images and media. If you're creating something new, choose Add Product at the top right. You can give your product a title and any basic details you need, but our focus here is the media area. On the product page, find the media section. This is the gallery where Shopify stores images, videos, and yes, animated GIFs. Click the button to add media, then choose Upload New. A file picker will open on your computer. Navigate to the folder where your GIF is saved, select the GIF file, and then click Open. Shopify will upload the file and place it directly into your product's media gallery. Once it appears, you'll be able to preview how it looks. Most modern themes will display GIFs as animated thumbnails and on the product page, though some themes only animate on hover or after the image is opened. If your GIF doesn't play in the editor preview, don't worry. Check it on the storefront, as many themes handle animation differently in the live view. A few quick tips to get the best results. Keep your GIF file size as small as practical for fast page loads. Shorter loops, fewer colors, and optimized dimensions can make a big difference. Square or consistent aspect ratios tend to look cleaner in product galleries. If your GIF is huge, consider compressing it before you upload. You can drag and reorder media to set where the GIF appears in your gallery, and adding a descriptive alt text will improve accessibility and SEO. If you plan to use multiple GIFs, space them out with still images so your gallery feels balanced and doesn't overwhelm the page. That's all there is to it. Open your Shopify admin, go to Products, add or open a product, head to the Media section, upload your GIF, and you're ready to showcase movement on your product page. With a properly optimized file, your store will feel more engaging without slowing down. Thanks for watching, and enjoy enhancing your product pages with GIFs.